Hi people, what I have here today is the new Olympus TG 850 digital camera. This is a camera from Olympus Tough line of digital cameras, what means it is waterproof in case of this camera up to 10 meters or 33 feet, or it can withstand drops from 2 meters or 7 feet height. And Olympus also states it can withstand being crushed by a force of 100 kilograms. Build quality of this camera is extremely good, as one might expect. It is mostly built from plastic. This front plate is metal. It is very firm and it feels very solid in hand. Buttons on the back are relatively small, but this is because of the small size of the camera. This camera is unique with its tiltable LCD screen. This is actually one and only waterproof camera that I know of that can tilt its LCD screen. LCD screen has a 3-inch diagonal and it has 460,000 dots. Image quality is quite good, and as is the case with viewing angles, as you can see. This camera uses a 16 megapixel back illuminated sensor and it is paired to 5x optical zoom. In 35mm terms it has 21 to 105 millimeters, which is very wide. I do not recall any other compact camera that has an equivalent of 21 millimeters on wide angle. The good thing about this lens is that it's actually built in vertical position. The sensor is somewhere here at the bottom of the camera and the lens zooms inside the camera. This is good because it never extends beyond the physical dimensions of the camera, so if it falls, it cannot fall on the lens and it cannot break it. On the right side you can see a battery and memory card compartment. It has two locks on the compartment. First you have to unlock this one and then you can open the compartment. The battery is lithium, it can give you around 200 shots on single charge. It uses standard SD memory cards and it has two connectors. The left one is micro HDMI and the right one is USB. Sadly, this is not a standard USB connector, so you will have to use proprietary Olympus cable. On the bottom of the camera you can see a tripod mount, which is sadly made from plastic. The functions on this camera can be controlled using quick menu. You will recall it by pressing the OK button, and then you just go up and down and left and right to change the options. Main menu is also very easy to understand. It has a good range of options to set up, but I guess most users of this camera will use it in automatic modes. On this camera you can shoot using automatic mode, program mode, and all sorts of scene modes and art filters. This camera can record full HD videos in maximum frame rate of 60 frames per second. You also get standard 30 frames per second and lower resolutions. You also get slow motion videos with 120 or 240 frames per second, but they are in really low resolution.